What grinds my gears? Thank you for the tag, The Wandering Taoist 101. While watching the different answers on this tag, I was really tempted to say, nothing grinds my gears. After all the misery I have seen in my life, I thought being immunized. But no, it doesn't work this way. Even I have learned from my own survival to manage my experiences and to overplay how emotional I really am. I would not use the expression what grinds my gears, but more what really makes me furious. It hurts me and it makes me furious to see Jesus camp. It has absolutely the same level of emotional disturbance on me than seeing a priest fucking an altar boy or an imam fucking a 9-year-old child and defending it by his holy book. The raping priest and the imam have at least people who are also revolted and don't leave this unpunished, at least in our Western civilization. But the Jesus camp, half of the population agree with it, and this rape is repeated year by year. So furious I am also to see a country like my home country having a religion who don't respect the law by hushing up their crimes and accept as a state religion the criminal Catholic Church. After all this, what makes me more furious are people asking me why I am fighting against all this.